Hi, Mabel. Mabel is giggling at Minnie Mouse, who is wiggling. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, 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 Minnie. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Today's October 15th. Oh, or is it the 16th? It's the 16th, 2011. Mabel's 4.5 months old. And great-grandma Naylor got her this cute little Minnie from Disneyland. Wiggle, 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 Minnie! Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Do you want to kiss her? Oh, Minnie. Why don't you hold her? Oh, kisses for Minnie. Oh, kisses for Minnie. Oh, kisses.